Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering materials: 1/4-inch dowels or skewers, hot glue, craft knife, ruler, pencil, 1/2-inch foam board sized 12 by 12 inches, and 24 lollipops. Lay the foam board on a flat surface and measure a center grid to evenly space 24 holes. Leave 3 5-inch edges clear for framing. Cut the board to exact 12 by 12-inch dimensions if needed, and mark hole centers with a pencil at equal intervals for precise alignment and symmetry. Place the marked board on a sacrificial surface and use a 3/8-inch drill bit or circle punch to make holes at each marked center. Test one lollipop stem in a hole to verify fit before proceeding with all holes. If using a craft knife, score the foam board edges with a metal ruler for clean 12 by 12-inch cuts, pressing lightly with multiple passes. Smooth any rough hole edges with sandpaper and remove debris. This ensures each lollipop will sit straight and the stem will be snug without splitting the candy. If stems wobble, glue 1/4-inch dowels behind the board aligned with holes to give extra support. Apply a small bead of hot glue into each hole and insert lollipops one at a time, holding each for 5 to 10 seconds until set. For a decorative edge, cut a 1-inch strip of poster board and glue it around the perimeter to frame the 12 by 12-inch face. Finally, wrap the finished board in clear cellophane and secure with ribbon, so the display transports safely and stays hygienic.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.